If you are going to try, go all the way. Otherwise, don't even start. If you are going to try, go all the way. This could mean losing girlfriends, wives, relatives, jobs, and maybe your mind. Go all the way. It could mean not eating for 3 or 4 days. It could mean freezing on a park beach. It could mean jail. It could mean duration, mockery, absolution. Absolution is the gift. All the others are the test of your endurance, of how much you really want to do it, and you will do it, despite rejection and the worst odds, and it will be better than anything else you can imagine. If you are going to try, go all the way. There's no other feeling like that. You will be alone with the gods, and the nights will be flamed with a fire. Do it, do it, do it, do it. All the way, all the way. You will ride life straight to the perfect laughter. It's the only good fight there is.